Listen carefully. If you don't master confidence, the world will master you. And I'm not talking about fake smiles, loud voices, or ego-driven nonsense. I'm talking about real, unbreakable confidence, the kind that can't be shaken by opinions, failures, or fear. People are not born confident. They build it. And guess what? You don't need a lifetime. You need one decision and 7 days of brutal truth and powerful actions. If you give me 3 minutes, I'll give you the roadmap to build a version of yourself no one can ignore. This is not for entertainment. This is your wake-up call. Your wake-up call. Brutal self-awareness. The first step is not motivation. It's destruction, destroying your lies. What lies? Well, I'm not good enough. They're better than me. I don't have what it takes. These are not facts. They're chains. On day 1, write down everything you believe is holding you back. Your insecurities. Stare them in the face, because confidence doesn't start with hiding. It starts with confronting. Body language of power. Before you say a word, your body speaks. Fix your posture. Stand tall. So linear. Make eye contact. Slow down your walk. Every action you take, act like you deserve to exist in that room. Even if you're shaking inside, move like a king. Move like a queen. Because when your body leads, your mind follows. Control your environment. Confidence dies in toxic soil. Unfollow the noise. Silence the critics. Distance yourself from people who dim your light. On day 3, clean your digital and physical environment. Follow only those who fuel your fire. Create space that tells your mind, I am in control. Keep a daily promise. Nothing kills self-belief faster than broken promises to yourself. On day 4, set a small goal and keep it. It could be a 10-minute workout, a cold shower, reading 5 pages. It's not the size of the goal, it's the signal it sends. Oh, when I say I'll do something, I do it. Silence the inner critic, that voice inside your head. It's not your truth, it's your past. When it says you can't, ask, where's the proof? Use this line every time you hear doubt. A thank you for your opinion, but I'm choosing growth. Confidence is not the absence of doubt. It's the ability to keep going anyway. Put yourself on stage, do something that scares you. Speak up in a meeting. Post a video. Start the project you've been avoiding. You can't grow confidence in the shadows. You grow it in the spotlight, even if your voice shakes. Day 6 is about action. Confidence is a skill, not a gift. Reflect and reclaim. Now look back. In 1 week, you didn't change your DNA. You changed your DNA. You changed your identity. You're not the person who waits. You're not the person who fears. You're the person who moves, builds, and believes. Confidence wasn't given to you. You earned it. And if you did it for 7 days, you can do it for life. Final punchline. Let this burn into your mind. You weren't born to beg for confidence. You were born to become it. So next time someone asks, how did you become so confident? You'll smile and say, because I stopped waiting.